What's up, fellow trainers? I'm Trainer James, and you are watching another episode of Pokemon Let's Build Mega Construx. In today's episode, we're building Geodude. Before we get into building, though, be sure and show some love to the Pokemon being built today by hitting that like button. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of our Pokemon Let's Build series. With that, let's get building. So, as always, we have to start by opening the box. So the box has been opened, and now the plastic must come off, which means the keychain comes out. Yep. Just like that. Oh man, oh no. No, look. Oh, I scratched the Pokeball. Oh crap. Oh, that's not good. No. Darn it. Well, might as well open it. Look. There's all the pieces. So let's see. This piece has various small pieces, joints in it, which means this piece has the face, and the body in it. It's Geodude. It's looking right at you. Let's go ahead and open the plastic. Those see-through plastic pieces in there. Then let's open the headpiece. Just like that. Let's get rid of all this trash. So, there are the head pieces, and the joints. Let's look at what goes first. So we need those pieces. Okay. So we need this piece right here. Then this piece right here. Let's see. This piece with the 3 connectors on it. And then the back of Geodude's head / body. Okay, so let's connect them all. Geodude. Quasimodo himself. R.I.P. Quasimodo. So, oops. So it appears that it doesn't matter which way we stick this on. I'm just going to Oh, stick it in there. Come on, get in there. Okay, it's in. Now let's take this clear piece. Notice how one side has the connector piece up there, right? So let's stick that down here, just like that. And this piece goes just on top like that. There we go. So something like that. Okay, so next up, instruction number 2. We have to find those pieces and its face. Okay, so its face is easy enough to find. And then there's one of those side pieces. And here's the other side piece. So basically it looks like a taco, right? So the taco is going to be facing out, just like this, just like that. Tacos face out, boom. Outward facing tacos. And now let's put the face on here, just like that. Look at that. It's Geodude's head. It's just a ball. He's practically a Voltorb right now. Can you stand up? Probably too heavy to stand up. Yeah, okay. Well, anyways. Instruction number 3. We'll get the arms ready. Which means we need the joint pieces and those microphone, or not microphone, the like the wands basically. So we need these 2 pieces, that piece, and its twin, and then this wand piece, and ooh, don't roll away, please don't roll away, its twin as well. Okay, now I'm going to, oh man, oh, no, stay right there, stay. Thank you. Okay, connect this ball joint piece into right there, into the side. I think. Yep. Okay, got it. Let's do it for this side. Oh, got it. Okay. Now let's stick the wands into each socket, just like that. Boom. Voila. Look at that. Geodude. Geodude. Okay. So, number 4 is us crafting the hands. So let's get to it. Okay. So we need these 2 pieces, like these flat pieces, apparently. And the I don't know, L-shaped piece, I guess. It looks like an L. If I get my fat thumb out of the way. There you go. Just like that. Look like L's. Double L loser. Okay, so the short end gets these flat pieces connected. Ow. Gosh. Man. Ow. Okay, I got it. For that. Just like that. There we go. Got him. Man, I like leaving all sorts of indents into my fingers and everything. Ow. Okay. So next up, we need this piece so we can connect the fist. So that would be these pieces. And then here are the fists. Right? Yes. Right. Okay. So let us see. Okay. So you see how, oops. Okay, so you see how this right here, that's a small opening, but when you turn it over, it's a big opening, right? Okay, so this big opening will be attaching to these joints. So let's go ahead, stick it in like this. Maybe. My hands are just way too big for this. Oh. Okay. Got it. Got it. Big opening, little opening. Let's do it for this side. No, no. Crap. Caught it. I swear I'm going to drop a piece every episode. It's been foretold. Okay. There we go. Big opening, little opening. Now you stick the fist on the little opening. So actually, I'm going to stick those on first. Okay. And then make sure you put the fingers facing forward. I guess that's pretty much it. Huh. Geodude was quite straightforward, right to the point. Okay, so all that's left is this piece, which would stick right up in there like that. If you remember Magikarp, this clear piece will fit right down in the Pokeball. And that's it. That is Geodude. So let's put the Pokeball together. Put him in this slot, just like that. There you go, guys. Say hello to Quasimodo, the Geodude. Remember, if you liked this video, be sure and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Pokemon Let's Build Mega Construx content. And with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.